Welcome back to 8042 Media. In this quick video, we're going to be showing you how to add chapters to your YouTube videos. So if you have a podcast, long-form YouTube video like this, for example, this is almost an hour long, you'll notice that it has no chapters, all right? And lots of people almost expect chapters nowadays. It's a very simple process. What you want to do is make sure that you're logged into whichever channel you're working on. Go ahead and click Edit Video. And you're going to want to go through your YouTube video and of course select the timestamps. Now there's only one thing that's important with this, and that is that you format the timestamps correctly. There's a few different formats that work. For example, as you can see here, 00, colon 00 is going to automatically tell YouTube to draw chapters from the required timestamps. So here's the rules for it. Okay, you're going to want to start all of your chapters with 00, colon 00. All right, if you're going for a second timestamp, one that's in the seconds, right? So here's the start. All right, this is chapters for seconds. If you're going for minutes, it would be 3:34. This is the format, minutes. If you're going for like 45 minutes, 23 seconds, right? This would be minutes in multiples of 10, right? 10, 20, 30. Now, if you pass an hour and you're looking for creating these chapters, you would go 1, 20, 34, for example. All right, this is hours. Okay. We're going to leave it there because most people are not going to be posting videos longer than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way to 9 hours. So this is formatting, okay, for these chapters. Once you've already created these chapters, I like to create them in a different Google document. Go ahead, come into the description. It does not matter where you paste them in the description. Okay, I just want to make sure before I paste this that you guys see that there are no chapters on this current video. Okay, so as you can see, there's no chapters, there's no timestamps, and it's going to go ahead and automatically add these. Let's drop the chapters in right here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just going to drop in those timestamps. They're formatted correctly. You can add a little chapter's title if you'd like. Press save. And now when I go ahead and reload this video, you'll see that there are these chapters that have automatically been added to this long form podcast. Okay. Now, of course, you can use keywords with chapters. You can optimize them for SEO so that they're a little more search friendly, or you can leave them very open-ended and funny to incentivize people to watch your content for longer. All right. Hopefully that helped. If you do have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below and we will get them answered for you.